Hey guys, here I want to explain the mean method and allocation and slicing operators in Pandas. For that I have created a dataset here which includes student name and marks in English and maths. I just tried it came like that. So here I am assigning that and changing the dataset into a data frame by using data frame method in Pandas. So the main method, first one is main method in which we have to ask for the result by mentioning axis number. So when we give 0, it will print here marks in English average is 75 and mathematics marks average is 83.4. That means it sums all the values in English list and all the values in mathematics list, and it will divide separately. For example, in here for axis equal to 0, here in marks English we have 70 and 80 and 70 and 80 and 75. That's equal to 375. After that we have to divide it by the total number of entries. That's equal to 75. That's what we got the answer. But we'll get the answer in float as it's not a calculator. It will give results in float values unless we mention int type. And when we mention the axis equal to 1, it will give other answers. I will explain it too. So for example, the list starts from the index value of 0. So here the 0th index is 70 and in math list the 0th index is 80. That means 70 plus 80 divided by 2. That gives us 75. I hope you got it. That's mean if we mention the axis equal to 1, it will calculate like if there are rows and columns, it will when we mention axis equal to 1, it will calculate according to rows. For here, for example, in here if we write this list from start top to bottom like this 0 1 2 3 4 and the second one like 0 1 2 3 4, then both values at 0th index got some 8 addition and divided by number of entries like that. That is what mean is here the difference between axis equal to 0 and 1 is that. And when you try to give the other values, it will gives you errors. Yeah, as we have only rows and columns, it will give error, that's obvious. So in here allocation and slicing is similar, almost same. Let's see, I'm giving from data frame 4, I'm selecting 0th index, and here too I'm doing the same. You'll see the difference. See here what's there in 0th index: student name, marks in English, mathematics. These are index values and these are entries. Check in here. One minute. This is the only difference in between these. In allocation, we'll get values like this, but you can access particular index using allocation. But when we are using slicing, we have to use both values, start and end index. That's where it differs. So not much difference, but the only advantage in using allocation is we can select exact location of a certain record like that. -1 is a Kader, -2 Imtiaz, -3 Prem, and if we give 1, here we will get the topper. So like this. I hope I cleared everything about this. And there are certain other methods that includes head and tail. Tf dot head of 2, that gives us two values from top, and if we give df dot tail of 2, that gives us the last two values of the data frame. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please feel free to mention them in comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.